Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find your Wise IBAN number. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up wise.com or the Wise app. Don't worry, I'm using my computer here, but I'm going to show you as well on how to do it on phone. Okay, so first up, go ahead and tap on the Euro account. Okay, again, Euro account. You won't be able to find IBAN for any other currencies right here or type of accounts. It'll have to be Euro. Okay, just tap on it. As you can see, I don't have it, but I'm just going to show you the same exact steps. So just tap on it. And once it loads, go ahead and tap on the account number. Once done, you should be able to see here your IBAN number. Again, Wise accounts with an IBAN are those for Euro or Euro balances, as the IBAN is a standardized number used for receiving payments within the Eurozone and other participating countries. Now, to do it on phone, just go ahead over to the same exact account, okay, the Euro account. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on the account number, and then scroll down and you'll find your IBAN number. That is it. That is how you find the Wise IBAN number. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.